She will be 8 weeks old tomorrow. We'll have her a week as of tomorrow. We got her on June 1st. Tomorrow is June 8th. Today is June 7th. And she's a crazy doggy. Winnie. Hi. Hi. Oh, get it. You're very tough. Oh no, here's she goes. Hi. Hi. Oh, yeah, get the camera. No biting, Mama. Winnie, it's right here. It's right behind you. Oh, well, that toy looks good too. Want this guy? Go get it. Her and Emma get along very well. They like the same toys. Here are some of Emma's toys that she did not like that Rincon really liked. So that's the reserve toy pile. That's her toy basket where we pick up all the toys at the end of the day. This is her little lawn. Get it. The tennis ball. And this is our yard as it looks a week after the dog has been here. Not too bad. Not that great. I used to have a fern bush right here. Now I just have sticks. I used to have flowers. And now it's all shredded. There's our little puppy with the leaves. I think there's enough light out here. It's hard to zoom in. Hey, Rincon! Come here! Come here! Come here! Get it! Oh, get it! What are you doing? Oh, jeez. There she is. And here's her little house. Yucker. Alright. We'll sign off for now. Chewing on the doormat.